Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again, gonna do another video. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. I'm gonna do another P.Louise Base kind of P.Louise look. I'm like, I don't know why I'm like dancing so much. Okay, so my anniversary is coming up and I'm like, okay, what best look I can do? So I'm gonna use this palette from P.Louise and it's date night, right? Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go on a date somewhere. So she looks like so. It's not like crazy, but we're gonna make it work. It's usually not, my favorite shades, but we are gonna make it work. Stamping up my base. I know I look all messy. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Let's start. I'm gonna use this is a what? E17 brush. And I'm gonna go in that really dark brown shade right here called Treat Me, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do like a semicircle with that. I'm gonna put it like right here, putting it like just here, and just stamping this. I'm not really blending it except when you get to the edges a little bit. This brush is like perfect for this. It just fits. Man, my nails are now getting back to like some normalcy after I jack it up by going and put falsies. I don't really put falsies because of that. But I kind of just buff them and polish them, let them go back to how they used to be. Okay, so that's that. Now I look like a raccoon, but that's fine. Maybe that's in, the raccoon look.
Oh yeah.
Have you guys ever thought about that? So now I'm gonna take my work. This is a 208 from Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm gonna go into this kind of reddish shade right here called Reservation, and I'm gonna put that on kind of the edge right after I blend this. So the right on the edges looks like a little bit harsh. So that's why I'm gonna take this red, the Reservation, and we're gonna tap it like right here. This looks takes a lot of blending, because that's what really, makes the look is the blend. And sometimes you have to keep going back and forth. So now we're gonna go back to the brown. And now we're gonna go back in the red. So this is a E13. I don't know. I don't have any product on here. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this shade right here called Pillow Talk just on my brow bone, just a little bit, like right here. And then back to this. Again, remember guys, this is a process. It's not just, gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more of that brown. I am gonna cut my crease. I haven't like cut my crease in like forever. Like actually cut my crease. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not my favorite thing to do, but today is gonna be that day. This is my showstopper brush. First I'm gonna go in with my cold cream. I'm just gonna take a chunk of it, put it on the back of my hands, and let's go to town. You have to be real careful with this because again, this is makeup remover and it will take off the makeup. Okay, clean this up. Now I'm gonna go in here, take a wipe. See, that's why I don't like to do cut crease. See how long that takes, and I'm still haven't even like started my cut crease really. So now you can go in with the cut crease, or actually start putting the base. So I'm gonna use my P.Louise Base, put it at the back of my hands. I'm gonna use that same brush. This is the best cut crease brush I've been able to lay my hands on. I'm not saying this is the best one out there. I'm just saying that's the best for me. Everything else I can't get it to be as flat. Okay, now we're gonna go into this. First, I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Our Secrets. I feel like this is more of a glitter than a shimmer, maybe. So it takes a little bit more finesse when it's a glitter, but it's okay. It is all good. I'm thirsty, drinking on one of my favorite waters. This is an M506, and we're gonna go into this shade right here called After Dark. You know what happens after dark. And I'm gonna put that right here. See, this is a shimmer, which is the business. I love me a good shimmer. Now I'm gonna go back with my 17 brush from Morphe, and then I'm just gonna just tap here. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and you already know what? I'll be right back. Okay, back. Eyes are done. Date night, ready to go. I actually really like how the look come out. It's not crazy, but you know. Let's get into that foundation. What foundation should I use that I haven't used in a minute? I'm actually gonna use my Flawless Fusion from Mercier. I haven't used that foundation in a sec. You know, I'm always trying to use different foundations, but sometimes I just get carried away using one that I like all the time. What shade is this? Hopefully this shade matches me. I haven't used this in a second, so who knows? Who knows? Or maybe not. This brush from Ruce is so good. Oh my god, this foundation is so light. Bring that down a bit. I just came from vacation. Well, not just, but maybe like a couple weeks ago. And I am like so tanned. And I refuse to buy more foundation. Like literally. Because as soon as this thing goes away, like if I get more foundation, they're all gonna be too dark. So we're just gonna go with it. I know this is light, too light maybe, but I'll make it work. I feel like I need a concealer that's a little bit light, because if I put like my normal concealers or a concealer that's a little bit darker, then it's like my foundation will look darker or lighter than my concealer. So I think I have another shade that's a little bit darker, but I think it's downstairs, and you know, you already know this. I ain't going downstairs for the foundation. We're just gonna make this work. I know it's light, guys. I know it's light. Don't come for me. This is literally almost done. I know this concealer is super light, but I need something light. And I'm gonna use my chubby stick. Not chubby stick. My Truffle stick from Fenty. How much more do I have left in there? Oh, I still have quite a bit. Now I'm gonna take this M335 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna blend my concealer quickly because this is drying. And then I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier. I finally brought her from downstairs, you know, my baby. And then go into my powder. Then a little bit on my forehead where I put my concealer. Now I'm gonna take my Prime Beauty powder and set the rest of my face. Okay, let's go ahead and work the lower lash line. Let's go back to this palette. So I'm just gonna use this shade and this shade to blend it out. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit just to take off, you know, the bulk of that brown. Doesn't matter even if a little bit of it is in there, because you know, I'm gonna blend this all together. Oh, this is for Marc Jacobs, and this is called Oh My Gold. I feel like the gold kind of works. And now we're gonna go in the red and just kind of, you know, bring everything together. I'm not putting too much of that red, you know. Just blend in the edges just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna dust off that powder. Okay, let's bronze. I mean, why not, right? Let's bronze the face. Oh yes, yeah, let's use this. This is from Vesca, and this is shade Kiss by Diani, and I'm gonna use my blush from Sephora. This one is the 80 brush. Ooh. That brush is picking up a lot of this. Yeah, this just like comes out a lot, but we will fix that. For my blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here. I have to be careful with this because this is hella dark too. This is good. And then for I want to test this. Where did I put it? This highlighter from Makeup by Yolondo, and this shade is Golden Bay. Ooh, I like this. Not too crazy, and it's very smooth. I think that's her first actually face stuff that I actually like. I don't really like the powder. I don't really like the brow stuff either. I love her eyeshadow and her base, her eyeshadow primers. Face, not so much. And we're gonna use that to dust that up. I'm gonna take the M506 that I use, and I'm gonna go in here again. And let's go to the lip. I'm actually gonna use this lipstick from Pat McGrath that I've been, you know, dying to use. But I've been doing bold eye looks. I'm like, So this, it looks like so, and then this shade is Blood Rush, which is a red, very red. This is from Black Opal and it's called Pale Hill. You know, you gotta put your earrings. I mean, you don't have to put your earrings, but okay, so yeah, so that's it guys for this video. You know, nice little soft little look, you know, if you're going out on the tongue with, you know, the boo, what is a girl or guy, boyfriend, girlfriend, hobby, or you know, whatever, wife. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.